Okay, this video I will show you how to design this corporate seat. Okay, I call this scooping seat. Okay, as you can see, this scooping seat has a constant shape from the outer until to the backward. Okay, first thing first, you don't have to worry about the downfall in the front. Yes, this downfall you don't have to worry first because this quite easy to do. Okay, first we need to get the shape out first. We get get the shape out first. So by draw this outer shape. Okay, to make it easy, I will create a new work plane as the highest point. Okay, I will create the new plane as the thickness is for 40 mm. So I will draw from this work plane. Okay, the shape will be slightly tapered inside. So I will use normal sketch. Then I will add on a little bit arch on the back. So here I will use the equal function to make it symmetry. Then I will join this midpoint to here. Okay, I will uh, put the overall dimension first. Let's say that the width if 400. Okay, and then the tip from here to here. Okay, the tip, let's say 380, and uh, this shape is quite funny, so I will change a little bit more wider in the front. So I will put 440. Okay, quite looks good. So the next step is to create this continuous shape. Okay, to create this continuous shape, first you need to identify the back radius here. The back radius. Okay, let's say the back radius is I like to put 500. Okay, maybe up a little bit more, 800. Okay, looks good. Now the taper angle. Okay, I need put the taper angle maybe 85 degree with 5 degree slanting inside, or 86 degree with 4 slanting degree inside. So this one here you don't need to worry. Okay, let's say I need more 1000. Okay, okay, this one I make it shorter, 350. Okay, maybe. All right, so that's it. Okay, I will extrude here, extrude to the bottom 40 mm. Okay, as you can see, the lower shape is tapered. Okay, tapered to bottom, so we make it tapered inside. So let's try 5 degree. No, negative 5 degree. Okay, maybe we put 7 degree. Okay, looks good. So click OK. Okay, first the second next is to create the fillet here. we use fillet, maybe around 200. Put fillet here and then here. Okay, maybe we need to shorter a bit. Okay, maybe we try 400. No. Okay, 150. Okay, looks good. 160. Okay, so let's say 160. Okay, so the overall shape is already there. Now what we need is a scooping technique. Okay, the scooping technique, we will scooping through this angle. Sorry, we will scooping through this, what we call this, outer liner. Okay, we will with the slightly slanting. Okay, slightly slanting to the front. How to do that? Okay, how to do the slanting shape? Okay, uh, we can use side cutting. Okay, side cutting. We cut from side. Okay, so let's say we project this edging, then we set this edging. Okay, so from this edging we create a line, we draw a line. So with the slanting effect, let's say the slanting is dropped by 10 mm. Okay, drop 10 mm. So next we put another overshoot, maybe 20 mm. So click OK. So next we split the body, split, create a trim solid. Okay, trim solid split tool will be this line, and then this arrow indicate that the part you need to remove. Okay, this arrow is indicate the part you need to remove. So click apply. So that's it, we have got the slanting effect. Okay, from the slanting effect here, you need to identify the slope angle. Okay, from what you can you draw here, you can use this one as the slope angle. Okay, let's say we put another point here, point. Okay, maybe from here up to here. Okay, this is good. Okay, we put another point here and then create coincident. Okay, so we on the visibility, then we put another work plane from point with this line. So we will be 90 degree through this slope. Okay, off visibility, this one first. Okay, then we draw from here. Okay, the first shape will be the I will make a slightly different from the image here. As you can see, it has another radius here. That means we need to create a slope from here up to here, and then this area is flat. So we can use this point and then this line, okay, together with this point. Okay, I will off this visibility first. Okay, so I create a an arch. So what I do is I create another line here to indicate the height of the slope. So let's say this one is 30 mm, so I want the lowest minimum is 10, so I put it here is 10 mm. So let's say from here to here, okay, I put maybe 25 mm. Okay, it will be slightly smaller. So then we create another uh, finishing. We finish the shape, so finish sketch. So on the visibility, the solid one. Okay, here is the first shape created. The next shape created will be here. Okay, so put another work plane here across here. Okay, how to do that? We can create another work plane. Use this point and then this plane. So we build a parallel plane through this distance. So create new sketch, and then we copy back this sketch. So project geometry, this arch. Alright, okay. So when you project geometry, the arch will be off of the marks. So this one I don't want. And then I create another point here. Okay, as indicate the lowest part. So next will be I'll create point here. Alright, so next this point. Okay, so of this geometry first, here consider construction. Okay, this point here. Okay, so we create another line. Okay, this line will be jointing here, then we put vertical, then vertical here. Okay, now we put arch. Okay, then make it tangent with this line, and then horizontal with original point. Okay, now I will put this slightly smaller than this one, so I plus 5. Okay, finish sketch. So the second shape is there. Alright, so next shape. Okay, the next shape I will create a loop design here. So create another loop. So I put this point here. Okay, this point. Okay, next I will create a line. Okay, this line will act as a symmetry line. So let's say I put 380. So this one constructions, then I put a line here. Okay, so next I'll make another line over here. Okay, horizontal to this one and horizontal to this one, and I will use symmetry left, right, and middle. So next I will create a simple loop. Okay, so tangent to here. So that's it. So next I put a point here to make another connection point. Okay, so next stop will be here. Alright, so this one. Tree sketch. So I will draw from YZ plane. Another sketch from YZ plane. I put cross mark here and then here. Okay, so next arch up to here and then put it down. So I will marking here, and then off visibility, this one create sketches. So make it as tangent height, so let's say 20 mm. Okay, so next the same method to close the loop. Okay, next I draw the same plane from the same plane on this sketch. So let's say I will create a simple line here. Alright, so next sketch 100 maybe. Okay, the reason is I want to create simple geometry here, and then I will put this one, and then I will put one point here. I will use symmetry, point on the left, point on the right, and midline. So it will automatically create a simple loop. No, simple symmetry geometry. So the next step, I will project geometry this line, and then use the same line to set the tangent on this line. That's it. So close the loop. Okay, so finish sketch, and the same method on here. Okay, so project geometry this point first, then next this point, and then put a point here, create a point, then use symmetry function. Before symmetry function we need another line. So this one maybe I put 80. So next use symmetry left, right, and symmetry line. So simple as that. Okay, close the loop and create a line here to here. Okay, then use the same height. Alright, finish sketch. So the next step, I will create another loop on top here. I will use back this etching 1 2 3 4 5. So finish sketch. This one I will off visibility first. So we use loft. Okay, we use cut the sections. We start from here 1 2 3 4 and 5. This one have an opening, so I check this one again. Loft 1 2 3 4 and 5. What is that? Okay, next step, add the rail 1 and 2. Add a scoop. This sketch has a problem, so I need to redo this one. off, this one off. Okay, so next, first, okay, loft, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so the outer rail and another one inner rail. So next, okay, looks good. Use cutting, click OK. So on the solid, on the visibility, the solid. Okay, now we have a smooth function here, smooth scooping. So next we add another rounded fillet here. So maybe 25. Okay, up 100. Okay, looks good for now. Okay, maybe up again 150. Okay, I like 150, so click OK. The next step, we create another downfall on the front. Okay, the downfall on the front, we can use fillet. Five, 10. So too much. 5. All right. So this one is not good. So we can use another method to create a downfall. Okay, another method is to use the sweep function. Okay, sweep function, we need to create a nicely sweep from up here. So we can use this, we can create another work plane here. So we create another work plane up here. Okay, so we create sketch. So we use like this geometry. All right. So we can use this one at edge here. Okay, so let's say if you uh, this one use tangent, already tangent here. Okay, let's say if you afraid that your arch will be likely will be a sharp edge here, will be a sharp edge, so we just need an add a through loop here. So we add another loop like this. All right, so the next, we project geometry this edging to indicate the loop height. Okay, the loop height maybe with that. Okay, the loop height maybe we try 4 mm first, and then we can see how the effect. So the round maybe 25. So we use the same radius here. So Okay, this one we need to finish the shape. Okay, we finish the shape here and here. Okay, I like to directly then put here, and then this one. Alright, use perpendicular to this one, and then we use this function. Okay, and then we coincident with this center radius. So let's say overshoot here is maybe 10 mm. Alright, that's it. So finish sketch. So we try use sweep. Okay, cut and then choose the path. Okay, path will be this edging up to here. As you can see, we will cut through. Alright, that's it. The downfall. Okay, nicely created. Alright, so the finish the finish step will be the edging side here. Okay, the edging side here, maybe we fill it with radius 3 mm. So to start here up to here and then down to here, so maybe 5 mm. Yes, okay, that's it. The scooping. Maybe I put here wood. Alright, thanks for the watching.